come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in broso with Maya. Me person me come any months with Jamaica. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me pen kwana me know the parties they come my way.
Opoku. Nah.
Oh. I'm not going to watch my friend.
You can go and look for him. He's not there, but you can go and look for him.
Oh, Miss Sure.
I wouldn't know where he is. And why? I met you guys the last time. Because I was saying him, no say you don't have anything to tell me. To me, baby, or crime in control.
I know the
I also don't know where Opoku is. I don't know where Opoku is. So you can go and ask the boys there. Oh, cause me there. Baby,
yeah, some more.
Maybe if you could tell me what is going on, I can maybe tell you where I saw him last. What is going on? I can also help you. It can help me know the agency. Na me hu how am ebo.
You
were going inside you don't want to give me any information. But me and kawa share me and ka be enter. I'm asking you one more time. Opoku ya ode. Eh?
I know you
know what Opoku has been doing in the school? Girls are 1 year the can't be picture me na me hu how me so me too full. Go away. Go. Go away. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, me pen kwana me know the parties they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in broso with Maya. Me person me come any months with Jamaica. Oh Lord.
Me na church over no one tell fair by my friend Hey. I'm so good. Mutian the munima Headmaster me there. Cause some say na me kanu. Se mo ji amanfo ye ji ho say mama. Mun siesie onye hwe ni apam ye je ni apam ye. We to aso ye ade ama. Enso shinu awo ye. MK.
Papa, when I have a friend in the dinkum, he said, so Mama, near apart from now, friend at Watson. Oh, theatre and to back, proper.
Headmaster, neighbor, I'm not from. We apra. Headmaster, we apra.
A year chasso. Anna de be a macacho, the way I was treating Colana Mempe. Oh, but who have a friend, what Tante and Colanas are they?
Headmaster, they bear come here and Conamia Sakra, we say, we say, in penny anymore.
Chasso. Salute Tante and my friend Anna Mempe.
Hey! Hey, my body be young so. My mamma yari bia, and so mu yari mbaba beji kode ni frako. Hey, Headmaster, wo be man infection
be nke akola no omowa
wo ba me so
omowa atantwa omo maka no wen
sempache ebi epi omo koto aduane ebi so she inside
ya na omoja na nkwan wo pra
na nko omo nyede
me ko ka omo se menye nti no person make us be
it's okay atantwa newcomer some about school one this Lydia and this Sewa, right? Come back join them. I know you making sure some mom baby ama mother. Some beds maybe or
baby.
Auntie. She na mom beds na chiro money so mo ye. I had me your hostel. You know. School mo had my baby mother no. Cleaning ni bibi my responsibility.
Na ko mo mo ese mo mpra. Mo ba school mo ese ya anum fo. Mo ba mo ni na ho. Mama no mo ba mu situ se ha mo prepare sisi ha no come na either mo ba mu I mu fi amba be tra da mo so ya ko
bring him here
wa bow dam suma ya wodia
next
suma ya wodia
ena aside that plan so no senior house master no honum may introduce mo. And the also mo yo school hostel ambo hunu the mobile school campus some young so make sure some very good girl.
Some who make clinical mo yare a mundi obi etu mo yare no maba ho. Mo ba no. No ne.
Hey. The over some uncle do ni my for mo.
And no say akola you see me say a bona so mo to atwene baby no.
Wuni GS mrade. Sa na ebo nipa. Obi de ne baba se kire na de no. Wo de won sa echi bobo na so
na akola ni di nsɛmfo kire me a. Na wudi nsɛmfo nam kana wunti a. Twede a medwa no gisa ni tru nyina.
Wonti kokko ase o. Enye kokko ase na wo okru. Eno school mu so na wo.
Me de headmaster. We tink kwa fa no otu omufu yie.
Asantoa.
Sir.
Handle them, man.
Okay, sir.
Headmaster so
Can't for me to Jimmy.
And Opoku so no.
Asantoa, get them space, huh?
Okay, sir. What's that? Listen. Jetli anasa de.
Sani mani mani.
Nso ngula wudi ene le. No be je nkwala kete bitu eni mu na. Ko anu kaka den.
Ne to mu di nsɛmfo ayenka.
Nsɛmfo be no modi. De bia me ka che ne wo ye na na nkwala ndi oni mu ye fom no. Nsɛmfo akwa de bia nkwala no akwala nya wade akra na wudi na.
Headmaster akra nya dey. Enkura school mo ti di omo pe na omo ye. Obi timi hwim say ye dey no on buy. Want to know about na we adin question mo say na ye dey. We asanto we di no question mo say fenyam.
We dey akwala na nya omo mba na nkeje omo ogu onum sa de omo ye nkoko. Onse wunim nyansa.
Oja wan go.
De bia me ka che say hwe mo adwin mu nyedu. What na ni woduru wanyili.
Ne school mo a enipa bebiri wo hanom. We na adin question mo nsa.
Na asanto no ya akoko hu.
Hey, headmaster. Onse du tuobo mtimi di hu ya papa.
Wo fi ne kro. Me bankola nanim kra obasha wo bibie wa na akasa obaka brofo. Ne ahwe so obetima akasa bia.
Headmaster, what are you saying? Obaka say make up of
me say ye bankola anim a.
Headmaster, me fami ni agro.
Me so obaka brofo.
E fami ni agro. Why you turu se kra? Bi odi mi di agro a. Headmaster, odi mi di agro hu mi yie. Odi mi di agro hu mi yie.
Tell the hu fi aduri. O football age grad nam 70. Wakobobo asun na ene nam ha. Enkola nketo bo ma sun na wo ka.
Headmaster, what's wine? What's wine? Wona woji na ewu. Wona woji na ewu.
Nenti ni awo jenjin hu ye.
Wona em so na woji na ewu. Me headmaster me odi mi di agro ha be ku ntem o. Uni agro be wu ntem kra, wo be kontem.
Wo ya mabo.
Headmaster so be dey.
Wudi agro ho ye mfiri henu school mo na bo amabo no.
Headmaster ke me ku ntem. Me sinka ade. Ai. Headmaster me ku.
Wo ya jejefo.
Headmaster me ku o.
Si ya na mabo akun kwa.
Headmaster e ka mi dunya me headmaster ka be tuaka.
Kwasadi ya da atare waso.
Ka be tuaka. Headmaster me wudi mi di agro be wuntem o. Me ka kire o. Wudi mi di agro be kontem. Asema me ka kire no. Me fa mi ndi agro. Wudi mi di agro be kontem.
Akula e wo budget transfer. Oh, me you free school mu ha. Be free school mu hantem. Jimmy, we kwa mintimu hu ne ha. Mama na chance a che o.
Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with me yeah. Me person me come any months so drum me yeah. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah.
Opremaba. Ke me bema weni aji. Ye. Unima bisa. Accra Maseho. Kumase Maseho. He, Maseho. Nya, menevon Maseho.
You feel energy is different.
Of course. I'm back. And by all means, I'm overjoyed. I'm excited. I'm elated to be back.
When did you get back?
I just got back this morning.
We missed you.
Don't say that.
I wanted to visit you.
Hey!
Oh, I'm not lying. I wanted to visit you, but you see, you know how the school is.
You know
the
how
schedule is too tight.
What's the schedule?
You know.
You could have come. There were so many days.
I wanted to come, but like, I knew you would be fine, so I was just waiting for you in the school.
I
wanted to keep on listening to things, and then when you come, I can just you. You get it? If I leave now be fast, yeah, who will tell you?
I'll believe you are thinking partially.
Yeah, believe me.
I'll believe you. Just partially.
I want the partial one is fine.
So just partially.
As you've come in, be smart too. One. Men throw their macacho in our phone away. I know this is too early. We buy and chain and make a win in our show, but I'm warning you. Be vigilant. You should not be talking to Asantua. Unim say anyone on near Asantua Casa, right?
Precious. Don't worry at all. Since that one time that I called her to question her about everything, I never called her again. No.
But don't worry at all.
I've ghosted her.
I'll see you with her.
I've ghosted her. There will be nothing between us after all that you have told me, and you still want me to go back. Precious, let me tell you something that I was taught in the Fanti dialect. What can be there? Benino said, "Wa mama besia de den kura." Se besia on doa. On one tina da. Epa manisika bullions. Epa manedan, maneka, mane civic, mane akon, mane ben si 300. On tina one chen de. Ent na one chen echina.
Sam. But was calm bet now.
Why?
Ka was catching us and to explore. Can't try. Unis Scanty, a man casa. Unis can now casa anyone. That unis Scanty now because my main disgraces. Yeah. My main can't. But you know that if you have money, the girl will not try. Or near before casa be giant. No one try. You know the man casa. They fair non to check. Sikana unibi. Oh. Oh, one. Let's face the reality here. Who are Lamborghini? Who are Ben City and the yeah okay. Asanto, I'll try to talk to someone else.
Now, Ben City will be to you also.
Until the whole was scan. So don't say it's only scan. Oh, scan.
So that means she's a gold digger.
So if you have the money, she will stay. So I'm warning you not to be talking to her because right now HIV does no. Okohano about her. Carrier. Yes. Or carry not their bro.
Carrier, my mom's my carrier movie. Then the cycle continues.
Yes. You just came out of the hospital. You can't go and contract another disease, another infection.
No problem. Don't worry at all. I'll stay safe. There won't be any problems. Now, like mind focused on better things. No more Asantua. That's the problem. So, like I just have to say, I'm back. But there's one more thing. Me check. Wow. The way I check no, obi an check with the moon. Enyim dem a. Miska na team mommy ke dey obesend miska. It's how the mambe
They shall say you, sir. When I see how free but I thought you come to say that I bought this for you, me the way bro. Oh, why you miska? Mommy said it. Also,
Mom Sika.
Dabe no the be.
Or send there.
Dabe. Or China.
My friend.
You great. Oh, China, our friend, our mouse. I said, we by wood, where did you, right?
Yeah, I'm in Pankwa, I mean, the party they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso with Maya. Me, person me come any months, I drum Maya. Oh, Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh, yeah. Pray that today you go be my day, yeah. Yeah, I'm in Pankwa, I mean, the parties they come my way. Oh, yeah.
Surprise! Hey! Don't feel me. Won't feel me. When you'll be?
Oh, baby. School must say, Memon when I'm be as and come.
When you will be now, but today,
you will be a
people snabble anymore.
Hormones.
Home bay.
Some men
About cheat.
Oh,
and a pimples bunny.
Mempo biao. Mempo biao.
What for me? And come to coin cows with me out to me. If you want to do, you can come.
If I want to do, I can come.
Yes.
See, I didn't know you could have, like. Niki na yoko wanya she.
Let me made him come young cameba, papa. Me as a meba, China jadie. Train kakra. Next month, memoaba, other miana miss memoaba. Or no, I mean now. Can't come about dada.
I say, Madame, 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 so will be big joke.
Alright.
Say you done you do what I.
One why?
No.
Me na me dwago so. Na me dwago so what I. Me pe waku ana.
That be say as be so ochime. Say you done na mu di no movie mo no.
Na da ni me share 2-piece nurse for Italiana.
That be oh.
I
will share patakali.
Patakali.
Na jogu me na satara na you see.
Na me haircut na te say.
Say ya.
Ni enkan you mu.
That
Mahmoud Rak.
That be.
Mentwa boy.
That
Na me mama so.
That be. Oh, babe.
O me die me sure. Bia na papa na
ni. Ewa. Me school ma me mpe obi a wachi no wani hwan biem. Wachi ni mdoko no.
Papa do no fa so betimi afa baby. No wo yi manim die hunu na wo dai.
Ah.
Ono loki on pene so.
Da she. Okoye no ho. Che.
Ade wa report.
Aso. My report why? Aso hey. Na me di fried, na me di kinky, na me di fufu.
I don't want to sit down in menu no.
Da be papa.
Map. Ona no ama o.
On smami o. O me sh. Me ko se me ko prepare e ho ko se da bi jai. Ko se be o se jai. O tina se. Aso tina se. Aso you see.
Say. Me bo o chira Zimba party asiana.
Wati ati eni ati echire ni na.
Oma fried rice, oma
fried rice na chicken you kura out back.
I'm 360. Well played. Sexy I get it. Wallahi my flow. Hey. Papa you win na.
Oh why are you? What one accept one.
You for me.
Yeah.
Very back. Very back.
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me pesa me come any months with your meya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me pen kwa
it's not that I don't like you, and it's not something that I'm trying to do that's not going to help your life. I like you very much. Considering what I'm, experiencing of late, I need to see your academic performance has dropped drastically. You get it? And I even wanted to call your mother, but I thought it wise to see you, talk to you, for us to iron things out before. If there's a need for me to call them, then I'll go ahead to call them. But you see, for me to see you with that girl, it wouldn't help you.
Sir, I explained to you. Sir, I did. She's just a friend to me. Sir.
But she's taking away your time, your attention. Everything has been channeled towards that girl.
Sir, do you know I had to go to the hospital for what you did? The doctors bandaged my left ventricle. Sir.
I did that because in future, if you want to do something silly, you will remember the pains and you will not do it.
At times, I did nothing silly.
You did something silly. You were chasing girls. And that girl, considering her ass and everything, she wouldn't take you anywhere. And that girl is not your type. She's for the elderly. So leave her, let her be. And learn, concentrate on your books.
So
that's your future.
From that day forward, I've not even set an eye on her before. Sir,
you don't see her anymore.
No.
That's exactly what I want you to do. I want you to concentrate on your books. Let me tell you something. The downfall of a hero. There's a woman, Botox, Samson, Radunzo.
Yeah, it's true.
Adam, Radunzo, and all these big men in our system. Their downfalls, you alluded to women.
Sir, I really want to appreciate you for the advice and everything, sir. But sir, you went too far, sir.
I did not go too far. I have to punish you. At times you have to feel the pains to understand what you are doing is not right.
Sir, who gave me headings?
I did that.
Who gave me headings?
Oh, so sorry.
Oh, sir.
Sorry. But you're a man. And moreover, you have underlying medical condition, isn't it? I
even forgot, sir.
I don't want to be getting closer to these girls. They are toxic. They will not help you. You are a nice man. Had it not been your condition, you are good.
Thank you, sir. Sir, and I wanted to appreciate you for not calling my mom and my parents into this, sir.
It's okay. I am just advising you. Don't go there. You see, Ashantis have this adage that goes, we be and come papa and make credit. You see, if you don't go there, I wouldn't do that to you. So try to take care of yourself, eh?
I will, sir. Sir, one more thing. I've not heard from Rachel in a very long time, sir. The last time I was asking her how Hajia is. Is Hajia doing well?
She's doing fine, and Hajia too is doing fine.
And your bungalow is the one still behind the science lab.
What is your problem?
Oh, sir, I'm just inquiring, sir.
Yours is to learn. Learn.
Thank you, sir. This man. How this man thinks he's smart? Because you want Bernice, you want me to stay away from her. Okay. I mean, Hajia is my best friend. Hajia and Rachel are my best friends. We shall see on this campus. We will see. We will surely see on this campus. Headmaster. Lie.
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with me yeah. Me person me come any months I drum me yeah. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day.
No. Woni ho.
No titi onu me nche na me so no asori apio. Me o baby o sa fine.
Wo ye papa. Mebusa wo ye papa asa oniema bi disease so asa wo bodam bi se wa dwen yew se ana homa ne bi ate
se nipa no woni wona wasori apio no
fa kwasa semfra kwa woni fa wo ti school ma me de ade a show se maka cho se akora no hwe na me ba no e bi obepi akobia di nachi
se adwuma ne de mintimi yo
hwe ni jimi bi
sa caretaker adwuma ne de school ma obi amfa obi ambehye obi ansa wa obi aba ne be bi o school ma ndi ntimi nkyere me sa bi
wo bodam wate Wuja katem se untimi nyere. Wo hwe
obi aba ni school so ba besua ade o. Enya me namba be hwe obi ba so ama no school ma.
Wa bo wudam. Wo ye hwan. Makato dem ban ba bi okobi edi na chi ne hwe ma me ugjo okeka nkwasasem chem.
School ne sometime o kasa ya na o kasa tia me o me de da kro me ye o mari o school ma si o na
de si o. He, wo kopo funa daka wo wie. O meku ntem kwa wo school mu a.
Meku mi ntem.
Wo meku wa wie na ne nam ho no. Wona monye wo so onima
ame wo pia bonti ame ti meja wa she squad nsa me twa squad ma na no ma wie we hu ekira kwan school ma bi
don ho awani wo so be dai wo ye ti mesi wo ye de meje wo hanum no wo we school ma kwa enya wo de
ena maka kira no ba no me nye caretaker ma wo
me so be he ni so me pen kwasasem wo be he ni so wo be he ni so mi wo school mu a
fo ne wo school ma nyina wa nya obi obe he ni so se me na me he ni ni sa caretaker adwuma ne ye mitimi wo adwuma moro ni na me pie na me tetete ni ade ana to aso se bi ma wan sha me ma me ni confrontation me bo mama ni
dam wa bo ma me no pa ba ba chimi de munum anu no confront ma me no pa no mra me chimi
ana se mitimi e we se me bo ma wo fo ama ni
wo bo mama ni wonim se de ehu wate wonim se nkuruma kwa anyia wo be gya ka che so be form so mede
me de
wo mede o mechi wan wonim atoro wate wa bo dam pa wo be ye Usha adi abepiri o.
You want me? You want my body? Don't worry, no crazy.
Yo also di ya. Me ba fu ma wati me won sem da.
Kaji flapa. Papa.
Ena nyame ama wa kwala. Obe titi wa bra wo.
Pass ye ni mu.
Ado nye ka titi.
Nye ne dami ni jimi na enu.
Asempa choncho.
Yeah, enfa na call.
Ye ni e twa ye ho kakra. Ati esua ade kakra na ye rounds.
Ade. Aketi mpese mini mbane ekasa.
Okay, ni kwa kakra.
Mese mpese mini okasa.
Yen kasa.
Yakwa ye hwehwe anamebwa.
I think you better was a crowd.
Say.
Joda Jodi Kajo flowers. Oh, the overgen so when you're the mamma fashion.
If you are coming,
Maybe
if you are coming.
if he's a McCoy, but do more than CBP actually. Just a near my own here cry neighbor. Just say, me all cut me near just I'm saying, Papa, and I deal with. And then my daddy has changed because I am in one. And once that near Seer, your cry near you, I bet that was it. And not to quench me and now. Maybe what? Oh, baby, cacao.
Thank you, Daddy.
That's so done as
I simply me that's it. Say, what show Mamma ye.
Cassadin.
I saw. Patrome that was.
Yeah, that was it.
So, what show me, Mamma, you do.
A couple. I said, Bibi was the chair.
I don't want it, Mamma.
Why are dear Papa?
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Martin. Me pacho I get him the same in the
Pacho. Nyodo. Eko ai. Na aso, meslewo na. Na kuti je kakra bisi wo. Wo ndi etwane life sweep.
Odio baby
Obey you.
Me pasisi ya.
Baby, why?
I show you.
I love you.
I love you more.
The school go na so we dey.
Me kwa. Me school na me kwa. Me sua.
To school bobo.
Me bobo.
Na there na na wa dey.
Me kwa so we dey secondary date.
Junior. It will near be pass a month for brave boni that you bubi. You ready Yankupon am se pa say na me come be wi ase be head.
Ade.
Ma be fan kwasa sem se atom ho so pa makuma ni me mu ti sei.
Ade nurse na nya adwuma.
Bisiro sunyade ma me wate.
Oh, mesu. Untina me.
Sunyade yiro hu se dem ma wani nkoma so wate.
David.
Man your fe wate.
So you 50-50.
In 50-50 be dey wa pass.
Papa say
we pass.
Now she had 100% never buys I'm not a failure. I'm okay good. And also activities no. Also more prospectus no. I'm more about to bring mobile say about school entertainment and others. That and others no when you do more patch like. And
plantation. Who free as a beyoya?
Me free as ya. I want a mama free as.
Me busa who free as a beyoya.
Me free as a beya me ya papa.
Be help.
Be help me.
Sir. Na akete no so koja we be help.
Say
on to uja we be help.
Ono no uja me a. Nyina nye be wu abo.
Ohun say dey so mu nyan bitimi wo abo mu dey se me tu me hwere ba na me ba bia say ha adwen. Ohun sa.
Awa na wo heda ma ba na kwa na ase de.
Ndie dey kwa bia mba be fa so ko bia say ne ha adwen.
Na wo ya kasa che wo twen me ma kwante man dubu.
Wana etwe wan kwante.
Me pa cho me ba wai. Babe.
Woni me kasa no ka tem so ye dey.
Wo twen me ma kwante man dubu fu ya za go fu ogun so. Why?
He didn't mean what you say. Waiting by my aunt and baby angel me. I go for number mamma come a bet to say. Headmaster Moon in a dim for school months at June time. You ready young coupon, I pray you'll become an army in a mecuno. Akete, and I guess one may be dear. Akete. We train the sumi du mobile. Me, Bessie Bonnie pass me pay who do. Who they can
Yeah, I'm in Pankwana, I know the party they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso with Maya. Me, person me come any months with your Maya. Oh, Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh, yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, I'm in Pankwana, I know the parties they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso with your Maya. Me, person me come any months with Maya. Oh, Lord, I pray that I will.
What? Where was it?
What? Ejina went abadi. Miss Ejina went abadi. Baby, I'm on okay.
Baby, let me pass some
Asanto, what? Speak quickly.
That's all flexing you also.
So Asanto, aren't you even ashamed to come and stand in front of me? It's enfela. Enfede bebe jinana. Oh, my food, I never jina mention.
I'll share my man can chill. I could run and elbow school from back to front to center. Martinina, Mehunina, I mean, I'm able menu. Mrs. Simon Pedamino Bina Simbia. He said, I'm now on Pedank yet to Panta. You pay.
Che.
Straight.
Only me to Panta, pie. There you me make a lie. What I say?
Where?
Feel you. 18 no, Jai the old church, no.
But I will feel my mean feel you.
Oh, Jai,
hey, Asanto, I'm serious. And I didn't make an idea that my fan are going to know Cassana. Mrs. Simon Pedam now, you've been a big school webbium.
I don't know. Be sit here, my father, sir.
Me tell you one another. Be about pint at the periods, one oil of your wa.
Me a day.
Oil of your wa.
Me a day. I'm a be a day.
No, if oh boy, Nitty. Hey, I thought boy, Nitty on your clue, on your bassa.
Mala.
Hey,
Amy, me ma fawochi.
Asantua, I don't want to have anything to do with you.
I've said this.
I'm fine now.
Any a kind no. Would the baby to be my back, come and to walk my dear, Papa be. Oh, who call fear a frail cancer, also with DHL Betty Macoma. Ah, as we make one in himself, Macum, a own corner minu day to be uncount him. I don't know, yes, sir.
Share. I don't know, full
Mimi
men try. I wouldn't be seen. I wouldn't be seen.
Baby, stop that.
Abba, baby. Hey, I found the madam crying. I'm a buffo crest in Libya. Share.
You know I love you. Eh?
Share. I love you, Wana. Hey, then wait. I love you now. You are the only one in my heart in the million. Nina or areas na fair fedi. Or is the can appear on one face come back. Or the akumatina booking out and putting a baba. Share. No problem. Be I'm a miracle. Awu. Na ya won hoti de konongo kaya. Awa ensia. Anso emmo bia nso nsia. Na rotating no. I'm now you need bibia bimu.
I also who said me no me enu die obi ntimi be she mfimfio. There is no middleman. It's just me and you. There is nothing like breakup. What did they make sure I say? See why you
why no nyana Santua my mind is
no bia ko school beach na no mo twen wo beduru anoma wo be kika nsem bia che me say you are cheating on me. Who is cheating on you?
Men can show the bra na be twen obi awa. I'm not watching miracle. She said I'm a change man. One uncle. Hey, Jina Hanum na twen say bia wo boy fufuro be ba. Who the boy is?
Why na you gaga che me na you refuse me na break you ana he.
Share in the abadi. Say I want to break him crash. Sister ma aso. Ai. Sister me too ma keep full. He's a my cute intimacy. I'm a people. He's a my cute boy like tease. Been a medicine
school. Hano. Me dem who account. They do be ampel. What have you more? Me dem who account. Be ampel. Yanko.
Santo, come on, you. Santo, come on.
Hey, go to me. Cut off and make sure you share.